Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log out in your Near wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap on the Near mobile app, and once you are in this kind of interface, simply type in your PIN code number. So once you type it in, you will get access to your account. So tap on the settings option and tap on security settings. So once you're here, before getting logged out, simply back up your wallet by exporting your mnemonic or export your private key, confirm your PIN code and keep your mnemonic safe. After that, you need to simply tap on the delete data, which will now delete all your data from the device, and you need to retype in your PIN code again to confirm the action. So once you do this, you will get logged out from your Near wallet. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.